Hi everyone. So today is going to be like the actual first day. I'm actually going to be trying out my content, right? Yeah, my content. So I actually plan on sharing some couple of programming insights or programming stuff, right? So I'm actually not going to start from the ABC, right? However, I'll try as much as possible to cover up the basics, and as time goes on, so it's going to be like a passive content, right? So it's not going to be an active thing that happens every day. Probably I'm going to be dropping videos maybe every Friday or Saturday around this time. Yeah, because right, yeah. So starting with it, right? So today, we won't be doing pretty much. I won't be doing a lot. So because today is the first day, so we will just be going through how to create files and folders using the terminal, right? So there is a very long way to go, right? So before we begin anything, right? So it is essential that we all or you all understand how to create files and folder, right? So we'll be exploring some terminal commands, right? Just to create some folders and files, right? So um, yeah, so we are going to begin with this, right? So we are going to be looking at two major things, right? How to locate your current working directory, and how to create folders, and how to also create files, right? Using a terminal. Right, so let's go through. So I'm currently in a folder called Code with Sam. However, if I've been doing a lot of things on the terminal and I just lost track of where I'm currently at, so what you could do is just to type in a command called so the only issue that you guys might experience is platform issue, right? So because operating system issue, yeah, sorry. So I currently use Mac, right? So you probably, or most of you guys might probably be using Windows or some other operating system. So whatever I use that doesn't work on your operating system, I think you can just look up on Google and how to do this on Windows, so you could catch up to speed. So now I'll be doing something now, which is just to locate what my current directory is, right? So and the command is pwd. So this means print my working directory, right? So get me the location of my current working directory. So if I need to like move out of a particular location to that location in the file system, right? So the next thing now is we're trying to create a folder, right? So a folder is just a space where we could create or store different types of files, right? It's just a space, or yes, just a space where we could store files or different kinds of file content. It could be PDF, it could be image, it could be anything, right? So a folder is just a container, yeah. A folder is just a container in the file system that stores files, right? It's a container in the file system that stores files. So to create a folder, right, on terminal we call it directory, right? So to create a directory is just like creating a container that could hold files and every other type of content, right? So we say mkdir, which is make directory. And again, right, I've mentioned before, right, that some commands on terminal for Mac OS might actually be different from the ones on every operating system you use, maybe Windows, etc., and all that. So the first thing we're doing is creating the directory, right? So if I type in mkdir and just click on enter, boom, you got an error, which is the first thing that came to our way, right? So yeah, you most likely face this. This was actually intentional. So this is just to welcome you to the space of having issues and trying to figure out what the issue is, right? So now we got a description of what or how to use the command, which is make directory. Can you see it says make directory accept a directory name, so it needs a directory name, right? So we can do mkdir code the term, and we say let's say first tutorial, tutorial yeah, first tutorial, right? So the next now is we need to view all the content in a directory or in a folder. We want to view all the content in the folder, so we do ls, right, which is on macOS is just ls, list all the content in my current directory or in my current folder, right? Once we click on ls and enter, it returns everything we have. So yeah, there was a time I cut the video but I wasn't recording, so I already created index.txt. But yeah, we now have a new folder called first tutorial, right? But nonetheless, we can create